Thanks for joining us here on 23 ABC News. I'm Veronica Morley, your senior reporter. The Maya Hernandez trial reaching a conclusion as the jury says they are hopelessly deadlocked when it comes to count 1 of second-degree murder as well as the involuntary manslaughter charge. Hernandez was charged with second-degree murder in the death of 1-year-old Emilio Gutierrez, her son, who died after being left in a hot car for over 2 hours on June 29th. She also faced 2 counts of child endangerment for Emilio as well as his 2-year-old brother who survived. She was found guilty on both of those counts as well as an enhancement for causing the child's death. We have team coverage tonight of the trial as well as how we got here, starting with a look back at what each side argued.
Is there anything further closing argument on a specific issue from the attorneys? Any clarification of the law by me? Any questions that you have of the court that you think would be of assistance in reaching a unanimous verdict?
Judge Charles R. Bremer declaring a mistrial in the case of Maya Hernandez after jurors said that no amount of deliberations would bring them to a verdict in the counts of second-degree murder or involuntary manslaughter.
The defendant purposefully, willfully, and intentionally left her children in the car, and she did so knowing what could happen. And she did it anyway.
During the trial, prosecutor Stephanie Taccone argued that Hernandez was guilty of second-degree murder because, as she told detectives following the incident, she understood the dangers of leaving children in the car.
Choices that had bad outcomes. Choices that the defendant now needs to be held accountable for. And you, ladies and gentlemen, as the jury, you get to be the ones to hold her accountable for the death of Emilio. And you get to do that by coming back into this courtroom after deliberations and returning a guilty verdict of second-degree murder for the death of Emilio.
Taccone argued that Hernandez's actions of not checking on her children for hours amounted to implied malice. However, Assistant Public Defender Terrell Wakeman argued this was not the case, even conceding the charges of child endangerment and involuntary manslaughter.
Maya was criminally negligent. That much is clear. Her behavior was absolutely more than ordinary carelessness, inattention, or mistaken judgment. But holding someone accountable means calling an act exactly what it is. Not more and not less.
The jury entered into deliberations on Tuesday, sending several notes over Wednesday and Thursday. Judge Bremer offering additional closing arguments and evidence, but the jury said any more would be pointless. Hernandez was found guilty on counts 3 and 4 of child endangerment, causing the death of Emilio, charges that could carry a sentence of 2, 4, or 6 years in prison. And attorneys will return on January 12th for a hearing to determine what the next steps in this case will be. We reached out to the district attorney's office as well as Assistant Public Defender Terrell Wakeman for comment on the verdict, but they both declined to do so. In Bakersfield, I'm Veronica Morley, your senior reporter.